Colloidal oatmeal. What is colloidal oatmeal? And why am I suddenly talking about oats? Oats are considered to be one of the healthiest grains as they are gluten-free, dairy-free, least processed, and packed with soluble fiber and antioxidants. Did you know that as per studies, consuming oats daily could help give your body the required amount of fiber that it needs to maintain a healthy gut, which is 25 to 30 grams? But having plain oats is boring. We all know this. Then how do we consume oats and become healthy? Well, in this video, we will be making oats milk and finding out ways to incorporate oats and oats milk in our daily life. So the first thing that we need to do is take a cup of oats and put them in a jar. We pour 2 cups of water in order to soften our oats. You could soak your oats in hot water or even cold water. The choice is completely yours. Now, after letting your oats rest in water for at least half an hour to an hour, you transfer them in a mixie jar and grind them until you get a smooth, creamy, milk-like consistency. Take a cheesecloth and put a bowl underneath and strain the liquid. Now, what you see right here is called as colloidal oatmeal. Colloidal oatmeal is nothing but oats powder mixed in water. And oats milk is packed with colloidal oatmeal because it is nothing but ground up oats mixed in water. Now, oats milk is usually slimy like this, and some people aren't too comfortable having a slimy milk. So, if you want a non-slimy version of oats, there are 2 things that you could do about it. First, soak up your oats in cold water. Second, while straining the mix, do not squeeze out the liquid too much, otherwise you will include the slimy bit in it. You will be able to take out lots and lots of oats milk, so store this milk in the fridge and it shall last you easily for a week. Now, what do we do with this oats milk that we've just made? For all those people who are lactose intolerant, this milk is a game changer for you. Just add a sweetener of your choice and drink it. You can mix it in your smoothies, or you could even add this to your breakfast bowl with fresh fruits, nuts and muesli. And what do we do with the remainder oats that is left in our cheesecloth? Do not throw this, as this is high in fiber. You could either mix it in your atta to make chapatis out of it, or you could bake yourself some yummy oats cookies. Include oats milk in your diet if you want to reduce weight, lower down your sugar levels, if you want to increase your fiber intake, if you want to lower your cholesterol levels, if you want to improve digestion and want help with constipation. Now, enough of the health benefits. For all the skincare buffs and beauty lovers like me, how are oats helpful for you? Well, oats are known to treat eczema, a skin condition in which your skin gets really dry and itchy. From treating eczema to treating red inflamed skin to even making hair packs out of them, it has endless benefits and is actually a boon for your skin. This natural ingredient, colloidal oatmeal, is readily found in cosmetic products these days, like moisturizers, shampoos, and even shaving creams. Colloidal oatmeal is considered as an emollient, which means a substance that soothes the skin and makes it soft. Introducing oats milk in your skincare regime can prove to be a game changer for you, as it will help you achieve a balanced, clean and a healthy skin that has been the goal for most of us. Oats have a natural pH and can calm even the most irritated and itchy skin. If your skin is sunburnt, then applying cold oats milk is a great option. Simply soak a cotton pad in oats milk and put it over your affected area, or simply use it as a sheet mask. Your skin will be calm and you will feel much relieved afterwards. You can freeze oats milk in the freezer in the form of cubes like this, and this way you can include oats in your daily skincare routine. People with extreme dry skin who doesn't want to use too much soap, as using the soap makes their skin even more dry, try washing your face with oats milk in the morning. Just take some oats milk on your palms and rub it gently on your face. Keep it on for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it get nicely absorbed in your skin and wash off with plain water. Your skin will improve tremendously as it no longer will be irritated, as your skin's natural pH will be restored. For oily skin people, you guys can follow it up with a cleanser. You can even use oats milk as a hair pack. Drench your hair and roots in oats milk for 15 to 20 minutes and wash off. You will be left with unimaginably soft and shiny hair. You could even make 2 of my favorite face packs with the oatmeal. Just take some besan and add oats milk in it to make a paste. Put it on your face for 10 minutes and wash off. You will be left with the most soft and supple skin. Another face mask that you could make using oatmeal is just take some oatmeal from the cheesecloth that was left while making oats milk and add some raw honey to it and put this on your face. This mask will help treat your acne and moisturize your skin like no other cream can do. All in all, the purpose of creating this video was to make as many people aware of the health benefits, skin and hair benefits of using oats milk and helping them figure out ways of incorporating oats in their daily lives. Do give this a try and let me know how you liked the video. For more such videos, insight on my life, product reviews, DIYs, follow me on my Instagram handle Priyanka Mehra Official. I post there regularly with informative clips. Do give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video. Till then, stay happy and stay healthy and drink up that oats milk. Bye.